Because this is definitely dog poo. It might get Jonny and dirty.
That's very true. Yeah. Where are we today? Park. We're at a new park in Glenelg that we haven't been to. We've just had some babuccinos. We're going to go on the swings. And then we might do a little walk around the neighbourhood and take some photos. We've also got...
The neighbourhood.
The neighbourhood is where all the houses are. Look, we've also got this little troublemaker,
Hey.
Mr. Emmett. And we're hoping to make a little YouTube video.
On the swing.
Could go really badly.
Let's go.
Let's go. We got good to swing his Chloe. What were you worried about? Great throw. Good climbing. Super weird, huh?
Super weird. That's an accident. That is.
Just a wee then, huh? Do you know what sort of the ones above your head? Have a look. Have a look up. Look at those. Do you know what?
It's too sunny to do it.
Okay. Look at these two little cuties. Being very patient on the photo walk. You tell them. What are you telling them?
Nothing.
Nothing? You sure? Okay. That's the end of our walk. We're in the car, we're going to head back to pick Carly up, and I hope we got some okay photos. The boys did really well. It was super fun. I need to get a neck strap for my camera, and I need to come back here to Glenelg and take some more photos, maybe without the boys. This is awesome.